We look after the IT systems of SMBs essentially, so anything from 10 users up to 250 users, we become their IT department. They need to have flexible workforce, they need to have mobile workers, they need to have secure systems. Their business data is really important. So by working with Zenzero and sort of the Microsoft technology we use, it allows those SMBs to really have almost corporate level IT infrastructure and support and backup around that. So that's what Zenzero aims to give our customers. When CSP licensing came out, we had a real challenge at Zenzero. We had about 60, 70 customers who were actually paying for their licenses on credit cards. So Westcoast were really important. They helped us understand what the licensing model was. They helped us put together a plan to move those customers from one platform to another. And then through the execution phase, they made sure that we were on track. And any challenges that came up, they were really responsive and to help us deal with those so that there weren't any outages or lack of service. So it was a big asset to have Westcoast alongside us during that process. The team at Zenzero have got a really strong knowledge around Microsoft products and around cloud solutions, but by working with Westcoast, we extend that to the next level. They've got a much more in-depth product knowledge around key solutions, and that's really useful to have that backup right behind us. Westcoast introduced us to BitTitan and gave us that relationship. Working with BitTitan is great because it's opened up lots of new opportunities effectively. It's made the migration of simple environments from an on-premise to the cloud much easier, but it's also made us much more credible in that bigger space. So having those relationships with third-party vendors who support the Office 365 platform is really useful. Our goal as a business, if we're going to continue the growth that we're on, it requires us to go after bigger customers. And we're not talking about mid-sized 1,000-user organisations, we're not talking about enterprise, we're talking about the larger end of SMB. Having a great proposition like Microsoft Office 365 gives us some of the tools that, such as EMS, it gives you a much better play in that space. And having the sort of backup and support of Westcoast to deliver that is really important. Zenzero have been a Microsoft partner for many years now, and it's the last couple of years that we've actually become a gold partner. We've been able to do that because we've had an increased number of staff with the right skills and accreditations. But actually, since we've been working with Westcoast, it's strengthened that relationship. It's now a three-way triangle of collaboration, and it works really well. And it's no surprise that by having that relationship with Westcoast, that our relationship with Microsoft has become a lot stronger. Their support, their collaboration, their partnership has really helped us, and it's a big part of our business now.